Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Andrew. If this is your first time here, don't forget to click the subscribe button below for every time na mag-upload ako ng bagong videos ko, updated kayo. For today's video guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Liloan and I'm with... Guess who? Hi Chan!
Wala kayong choice.
Bakit ka nandito, Chan? Why did you visited me today?
Kasalanan to ni Julie. She invited me here.
Siya pala nag-invite sa'yo.
Yeah.
Pero hindi pa siya dumating.
Anong ganap mo today? Sabi ko, wala naman. Punta tayo ng Liloan. Okay, tapos ako nauna sa Liloan. Wala pa siya. Ang tsaka ko dyan.
Where is she now?
The proper, I don't know where she is specifically, but she's here in Liloan. Hey, there's a turo-turo there. I want to try it.
Sigurong ka na ba?
Maybe later lang.
Dito ako usually pupunta Chan when I'm going on a jog. Ito na Chan, yung beach dito sa Liloan. Dito ako pumunta ni Crystal last time.
Asa mo tamo at
Doon nga banda, doon yung boulevard nila.
Oh.
Check it out, Chan!
Can you drink the water? Drinkable.
Ano masabi mo, Chan, sa beach? What can you say about the beach?
It's really bitching.
Dito kami tumambay last time. Doon kami banda, ni na Crystal, nagtambay. Maganda siya kapag high tide.
Ba to low tide?
It's low tide. Kasi yung tubig, it actually reaches up to there. Diyan banda.
Eh, mas magandang low tide kasi parang mahaba yung shoreline.
Gusto mo talaga makita yung shoreline, Chan.
Yes, ganun talaga. Okay naman, maligo din actually. Oh, the water is, not
Murky,
recommendable.
murky.
I'm so sorry, man.
Ala, so anong grata.
Palawan ka, girl. Dito yung pipwesto si Judith mamaya.
Siya ka na lang, maglalakad ka doon. Nandito ka pala. Sabi mo nag-charge ka.
The vibe is very rich. Mahangin and then the clouds are bright.
Yeah.
Judith?
No answer.
No answer.
Oh.
Judith.
Sorry.
Punta lang kami doon. While siya magja-jogging ako, mag-ano lang, sightseeing and then kain-kain like street foods. Ay,
Walang
attitude.
answer. So baka nag-charge pa
Kasi
siya.
ang magabi na 6:05 na. Siyempre, nagutom na naman ang person. Pero mas patay gutom tong tinatawagan ko. I can't imagine her bugoness.
Judith, shout out to you.
It's really not me. It's just you.
Nakasanda si Christian ngayon, guys. Ayan.
My favorite.
Blue shorts. Oh my God, the iconic. And his black t-shirt na nito. Yakubi. Yakubi.
Parang
Anong printed?
Yeah, ano to? Just basahan, girl.
Ito na nga yung beach, guys. Are you ready, Chan? Are you ready to go jogging?
No, gusto
Okay.
ko gumawa ng sandcastle.
Dito ka talaga gagawa ng sandcastle.
Look at the beach.
And this is how many hours from the city, Chan?
1 hour and a half. Chill lang, chill place. I like the vibe. Pero mas gusto ko doon sa may
Doon sa taas.
Pantalan ba na kasi madaming tao, may nagba-biking, nagba-volleyball, and then may mga street foods doon.
Okay, so punta tayo ngayon
At
doon.
doon kami magtatambay. Ako lang pala magtatambay doon.
Kasi ako ang mag-jogging. Ito yung outfit ni Christian, guys.
Basahan.
At ito yung outfit ko ngayon.
Oh, really?
I'm on a mission. Christian is not.
Ay, bukas pala magpupunta kami ng south. Sa Dalagete, maliligo kami doon.
May beach pala dyan sa Dalagit.
Yung dapat puntahan ba natin?
Ayun, Dalagit Beach Park.
Yeah, just watch out for my reels. Charot.
Follow nyo na si Christian, guys, sa
Follow
Instagram.
me everywhere.
What's your name on Instagram?
Just, ano lang.
Ito.
Ay, hindi pwede kasi mag social media detox na to.
Ay, ganun.
Para-
Ay, hindi ako
Private
naniniwala
life.
dyan.
30 minutes lang naman.
I'll give you an update later, guys, if we have in contact with
Bye,
Judith.
Dapat ikaw lang ditong punyeta ka.
Oo nga.
Nadadamay pa ako sa jogging-jogging niya.
Wala siyang choice. Expect the unexpected.
What a very clean beach.
Nandito kami ngayon sa my boardwalk area, guys, and time check, it's already 6:26 in the afternoon. Dumidilim na, guys. Nakapag-witness kami dito ng sunset. At si Christian, parang nag-enjoy siya dito. Nag-enjoy ka ba dito dyan sa my boardwalk nila?
Yeah. Oh, ang dilim mo dyan, Day.
Yeah, madilim na nga. Ano masabi mo dyan sa boardwalk nila dyan?
Maganda yung boardwalk.
This is still unfinished.
Parang ano pa lang siya, parang 60% off. So wide, and pwede ka palang mag-jogging and then mag-biking dito, mag-skateboard.
Yeah.
Like, pwede gawin. Like, pwede ka mag-volleyball, maglaro ng basketball, magtambay-tambay dito with your loved ones.
If you see him, you better
run. You better be insecure when you see me. Let there be light. Ay! Madami nagba-bicycle dito.
Yeah, bicycle. Usually bicycle, dyan o, nagbabalibot pero...
Oh, may grupo doon eh. Gusto kong pumunta doon eh. Gusto kong magipag-friends. Anong ginagawa mo dito, bro? Akala ko mag-jogging.
Ayun na nga, mag-jogging na ako after this.
Oh, mag-jogging ka na.
Ikaw, Chan, anong gagawin mo dito?
Swipe right, swipe right. Okay, guys. We'll be right back.
Just quick update, kakatapos ko lang mag-jogging, guys. I actually jogged for almost 45 minutes, guys, in total. At yung isang kasama ko dito, tumambay lang for the whole afternoon.
All I can say is everything happens for a reason.
Anong gawin natin after this, Chan?
Bili lang kami ng lechon manok and then
Wow.
uwi na. Yun daw yung ulam natin ngayong gabi.
So what's your preference na drink?
What's your preference na ano, na manok?
Turkey,
Ano,
quail,
Oh, peppermint. Peppermint.
flavor.
With vanilla ice cream on top, cherry on top, with sprinklers.
We're on our way to Pier 88.
Yup, here 88.
I'm gonna show Christian what
7-Eleven.
the 7-Eleven looks like over there.
We'll be right back. See you at 7-Eleven.
Nakarating na po kami ng bahay, nakapag-refresh na po kami. I don't know si Christian. Yes, natin si Christian kung fresh na ba siya. Nagpa-refresh ka ba, Chan? Or are you still talalanta? Fresher done.
Fresher than the sun. Downy, fresh, bango-bango.
Natulog yung isang kasama natin. Wala, tulog na siya.
Tulog
Akala
na?
ko
Oh my God.
Akala ko
Good. Are you rest? In peace.
Si Jomar, guys, is currently cooking some ramen. And we're still waiting for it to cook. Ito yung mga nabili namin kanina, guys. Pumili kami ng lechon manok sa Baliwag. This is only for 320 pesos. At may nabili din kaming drinks, of course. So we bought 2 Del Monte Mango, 1 liters. And some sodas, Sprite, and Coca-Cola. Si Jomar, bumili siya ng ice cream din, guys. So we have desserts, drinks, and the food. the most important part, yung rice. Thank you so much Sean sa pagluto. We're still preparing the food and after this we're gonna eat. See you in a couple minutes. This is the end of the video. Thank you all for watching and joining our adventure for today. See you on the next video. Bye everyone. Bye.
Asa ba yung adventure? Kanina pa actually nag-end yung video niya.
Bye.
Saan pala kayo nag-adventure? Sama niyo naman ako.
Kapag panggap.
Watch the beginning of the video.
Bye, Bechi.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Bye. Bye.
Salamat sa libre, Chan.
Thank you sa pagkain, Chan.
Bye-bye.
Salamat sa pagantay from 3 p.m.